Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off antivirus on Windows 10 with easy to follow steps. So without wasting any more time, let's get right to it. So on your keyboard, press the Windows key and I. This takes you to the settings page. Now click Update and Security. Over here, click Windows Security. Now click Virus and Threat Protection. Under Virus and Threat Protection settings, click Manage Settings. Now under Real-Time Protection, click this button to turn it off. Just like that, Windows Defender has been turned off. Please keep in mind that once you restart your system, the antivirus will be re-enabled. Also, if you have a third-party antivirus installed, you also need to disable it before disabling Windows Defender. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.